What bird eats bees for breakfast and doesn't get stung? Meet the bee eater, nature's aerial acrobat. First off, these birds are stunning. Imagine a rainbow with wings, greens, blues, yellows, you name it. Now, how do they eat bees without getting stung? Easy. They smack their prey against a branch to pop out the stinger. It's like DBing their food. Bee eaters don't just eat, they perform. They catch insects midair with flips and dives that would impress Olympic gymnasts. And get this, they don't nest in trees. They dig tunnels up to 10 feet long, like tiny feathery miners, mining for future bee eaters. Family goals? Bee eaters live in huge colonies, and siblings help raise the chicks.